Who is the most important person you are going to meet today? To whom are you going to speak the most powerful words today? What is the most important conversation that you are going to have today? It's not with your boss. It's not with your CEO. It's not with your partner, your parents. It's not even with your children. The most important conversation that you are going to have today and every day, the most important person that you are going to meet today and every day is you, yourself, the leader within you. So what are you telling yourself in this conversation? Is it empowering you or is it disempowering you? Is it helping you to become a better leader of your life? What you tell yourself about yourself is more important than what others tell you about yourself. But unfortunately for many, this most important conversation, the self-talk, is also the most ignored one. So make sure you take the charge of this conversation and acknowledge the leader within. Also, do let me know in the comment section what is the conversation that you have with yourself. What are the most powerful words that you use for yourself? This is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.